Hello designers, today we're transforming a basic product image into hyper-realistic creative. I'm taking you on a creative journey where I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate a stylish handbag or any product into any background using Photoshop. Let's get started. Step 1. Document setup. First, let's set up our canvas. For social media-friendly designs, I'm choosing a square format. Step 2. Importing assets. Import asset of used product. Make sure lighting will match to the background. Grab the practice files linked below. This includes our handbag image and background. Step 3. Aligning with precision time to make this bag pop. I'm using grid lines to match the bag's square edges. Not aligning? No worries. Head to Filter, greater than Liquify. Adjust brush density, pressure, to gently nudge those edges without distortion. Watch how I tweak the straps and corners. Step 4. Clean selections and shadow magic. Isolate the bag using the pen tool or select subject, but avoid the shadow. After select the product, now time to select the shadow by using Select Color Range. Now set its blend mode to multiply. Match the shadow's hue to your background using Color Overlay. Instant realism. Step 5. Color and texture. Perfection. The bag's color looks off. Let's fix this with hue saturation and curves. Boost contrast, dial in the warmth, and match it to the original product. Now step 6, secret sauce. Frequency separation. Split the image into color Gaussian blur and texture layers. Use the mixer brush to zap dust harsh scratches without destroying details. Step 7. Lighting and reflections. Realism lives in the details. Use dodge and burn to sculpt lighting that matches your background. See how the highlights now match the environment? Now for reflection, duplicate the bag layer, flip it vertically, and add a Gaussian blur for soft reflection. Lower the opacity and mask out areas where light wouldn't hit. Then, step 7. Final polish with Camera Raw. Time for the grand finale. Open Camera Raw filter, Ctrl-Shift-A. Crank up the clarity and dehaze subtly, play with vibrance, and add a vignette to focus the eye. Boom. Watch the image come alive. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Your support fuels these tutorials. Drop a comment below with your results or requests for the next video. Until next time, keep creating magic.